So this is your Facebook page. From the looks of things, I couldn't find a website for you, but it looks like you got several people that like and follow you on Facebook. You probably got leads from word of mouth and from Facebook. Going to Google, I Googled flooring contractors to Cincinnati, Ohio. Looked like it was close to the area, close by to where you service, so I plugged them in there. First, there'd be ads here. Doesn't look like there's any that show up for me. Next, there's the GMB, and then organic ranking, and these are all directories. But coming down, I found this guy down here. I went to his website. This is what it looks like. It looks like he's this looks like a service page or a location page. So it looks like it's a bigger company that deals with a whole bunch of different areas. Looks like he's got a fair amount of content on his page. He's got 995 words. So you're going to want to put at least 1,500 or 2,000 words on your homepage to beat this guy with content. We can see what his pictures are saved as. It's another thing that'll help you. It just has his name there. You would want to save these as flooring contractor, Cincinnati, Ohio, or hardwood floors, Cincinnati, Ohio, whatever keyword you want to rank for. When you do your website, you definitely want to add keywords in there to rank for. Going to Ahrefs, the tool I like to use. I see this guy. He's got 1,910 backlinks and 247 referring domains. Keep in mind this guy's website is all over the U.S., I believe, because it said Cincinnati right here, so it's just a service page, so we only have to beat the service page. This is just all of his domain. But we can come in here and we can grab the backlinks that he has. We can go look for ones that we like, and go follow the link, see what it is, how to get it. We want to make sure we get ones that are relevant to our industry. So you'd want to find other contractors or flooring people or something that's relevant to your industry. You don't want to have like fast food linking back to you. That doesn't help you. You also want to make sure they have a good DR and UR. You don't want to have spammy, low volume, low strength websites linking back to you. That doesn't help either. You can get backlinks by guest posts or blogs, or you can get sponsored and have them link back to you. And there's other ways to do it too. We can go in here and check the keywords that they have as well. And we're gonna, oops, I messed that up. But this is all their keywords. Looks like floors in Chicago is their most traffic, so they do good in Chicago. But let's type in Cincinnati and see what shows up. So it looks like they're in Cincinnati. They got hardwood flooring refinishing. It only has a 7 KD. They're ranked 6 for that. A volume of 150. They get 8 people a month. 150 people search that a month in Cincinnati, obviously. But 7 KD is not too hard to rank for, so you can come in here and grab that one. Carpet installation in Cincinnati, 100 volume, 3 KD, very easy to rank for. That's near me. You want to make sure you get location specific. That's just a national keyword. But we could rank for this too. We want to find. There's a lot of them in here that we could rank for. It's pretty easy too. Floor repair, Cincinnati, 0 KD, super easy to rank for. There's 20 people that search that a month. Let's see. There's a lot of them in here that, there's not really any high KD, so that means that you could, here we go, hardwood floor installation Cincinnati, that's 1 KD. There's a 2 KD. Very easy to rank for those. You can get on the first page. You could easily get up to number 1 with those. Hardwood floor installer Cincinnati, 1 KD. Yeah, we'd want to come in here and grab all these keywords that are relevant to your location and your industry. That doesn't look like there's much competition, to be honest with you, or at least competition-wise that knows what they're doing with SEO. So yeah, I would definitely come in here and grab a lot of these keywords, put them on your website organically. Make sure it's not overstuffed. You probably want about one keyword every 100 words, as well as make sure you have keywords in your images when you save them. The next thing is go into the Google Map Pack. A lot of people come and click off here. Biggest thing, if you don't have one already, set it up. You don't need a website to set one up, so set it up right away. It's free to do. You got a postcard from Google. We could also, if you have a friend in Cincinnati, you could have them set one up for you, or you could send the card to their address, and you could have a GMB over in Cincinnati too. You'd want to make sure the name. You'd want to make sure it's 100% filled out. That's the first thing. Then photos is the content for GMBs. So the more photos, the better. And the next thing is citations. This top guy here only has 10 citations, super easy to beat. There's thousands of them out there. Basically, it's just the name of your GMB with the phone number and the area. So if you're doing Cincinnati, Ohio, you have Cincinnati, Ohio. We can come in here, grab the ones that he has. He doesn't have a whole lot, but we can go find other ones from other places, and as well as we can go get a whole bunch of free ones out there. There's thousands of them. There's some ones that cost money too, but you don't need to go after them if you don't want to. But yeah, so that's that. Hopefully that helps. Gives you some ideas of what you can do. If you want, we can set up a phone call or a video call sometime and go over other stuff. But yeah, hopefully that helps. Welcome to do it yourself if you want. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day.